In this lesson, we are continuing with step 1, which is fabric layout and pinning the pattern down. Now, because fleece fabric is extra thick, we are going to use different pins than we normally do to pin our fabric down. So in order to do this, what you need to do is get your pin magnet, bring up the pins, the regular pins that are on your magnet, put them in the green box, and transfer and use some yellow pins. And the teacher will get your pins for you if you would like her to. Alright, now to pin the pattern down, again, make sure you are not in the selvage or close to the edges so that you do not have to repin again. There is nothing worse than pinning your whole pattern down and finding out that you need to move it again. To pin, again, remember I am left-handed, so I will be pinning with my left hand. If you're right-handed, you will be pinning with your right hand. You will start with the corner of the pattern, go in, hit the table, make a little mountain, a little bunch in the fabric, and push out again. Be careful, these pins are quilting pins. We use these because they are longer and they do go through the patterns a little easier. You will continue to pin about every 2 to 3 inches parallel to the pattern. Please pin one pattern completely down before you move on to another pattern. And again, keep your fingers out of the way. The pins are very sharp, so you want to be careful when you are pinning. Be gentle with those pins. When you get to a curve in the pattern, it is best if you do pin in that curve, because when you will be cutting it, you want to make sure that you do have a nice curve there. So it's best to pin it down so that it is held down. So I'm continuing all the way around this pattern till I get back to where I started. Once I have this one pinned down, then I will move on to the ears, pinning the 2 ears down, and then pinning the legs down. Again, please remember, pin every 2 to 3 inches parallel to the pattern and in the corners.